It's a 1999 Pete 379. Has a C18 cat, 2,700 hours on the engine, translates to about 160,000 miles. A new 22.918, 14 spline input shaft, heavy clutch. Put on a newer, I think 2015 suspension, so it's got the heavier rear ends. The rear ends have got 170,000 miles since new. Put in there, 308 ratio. Truck's been in storage close to 20 years, so it wasn't a high mileage truck. Brought it in August, took it all the way down to the frame, sandblasted, brought back up. Frame has no rust. Truck was never in the salt. There's a little bit of rust on the rear. It's just rear pumpkin, because that came from a different truck. Just want to let you know what it's got. New Lite charge air cooler, 5-row performance radiator, of course new clutch fan, new fan blade. Everything on the outside of the engine is new. All new hoses, all new electrical, all new valves, ABS valves, wire harness, everything new. Onto the fuel filters out here where you can get at them. Got several of these out here. Real nice to change the filters. Got a bypass oil filter on it. Of course the Cat C18 twin oil filters. Large oil cooler, that being the reason for the exhaust coming down on the outside. Stainless steel exhaust. Once again, everything new, all the lines, all the components. It's got the 5-inch drop front axle, so if you want to put it on the ground, you sure can.